Hi, my name's Darren. Welcome to Mead Lake. I'm part of the training team here, and today I'm going to take you through the big 3 key messages of our new Samsung Bespoke Jet AI. The first of our big 3 message is our most powerful cleaning performance. Now we do this with a new Hexajet motor coupled with a large capacity battery and high efficient brushes which allow us to take advantage of that new Hexajet motor and those power. The new Hexajet motor generates suction power of up to 280 watts. Now versus our previous Bespoke Jet which had 210 watts. So this allows more an intense cleaning on all different types of floors. Now with the multi-cyclonic air filtration system trapping fine dust particles. The new large capacity battery, which I have here, gives you up to 100 minutes of runtime, and that's big enough to clean even the biggest of houses. The light yet powerful Hexajet motor has an innovative design optimizing its airflow and efficiency. That motor is going to come with a 10-year warranty. Now that can spin up to 132,000 revolutions per minute, and that means it can deliver 730 watts of input power, which equates to 280 watts of suction power. With all this, you can now clean non-stop for much longer with the larger capacity battery, which as I said, works up to 100 minutes. It takes 5 hours to fully charge that battery, but the battery is also interchangeable with the lightweight battery, which will have a runtime of up to 60 minutes, which we already have connected here. The battery will retain 70% of the original performance for up to 500 cycles and now has a 2-year warranty. So now let's take a look at number 2 in our big 3. With number 2, we have AI cleaning and AI brush with smart Wi-Fi. You can clean thoroughly with the world's first UL verified AI cordless stick vacuum. AI mode classifies complex cleaning environments such as floor types. It delivers the same cleaning performance as mid mode while saving you energy by reducing battery power by up to 14% and actually increasing the maneuverability. So let's have a look at what that looks like in the real world. I have some flour here, so we'll make the floor nice and dirty. We'll pop it on our carpet and then we'll pop it on our hard floor as well. So I do have one of the brushes which allows us to use the AI mode. When I turn the vacuum on, its default will be in AI mode. When I turn it on the hard floor, you'll hear that there's not a huge amount of vacuum power going on. You can hear that it's just increased there because it's detecting the floor type. Whereas when I move across to the carpet, you can hear how much that vacuum power increases. So it's now detected that it's on carpet and has increased that power to make sure that I'm getting up all of the dirt that I need to be able to vacuum. Now when I move back to my hard floor, you'll hear that it's now detected it's on the hard floor and has decreased that power again. So all in all, because we can do that, that's going to save us up to that 14% on our battery with that AI mode. Customize the vacuum cleaner for optimal cleaning and convenience. Using the SmartThings app, Wi-Fi lets you adjust and manage functions and settings. It also tracks and reports on your cleaning history. Smart Self-Diagnosis checks its status and gives you a customized maintenance guide. Let's have a look at what that looks like. So I'll grab my phone out here and I will open my SmartThings app. I have the vacuum currently saved as one of my favorites, so we'll go into that there. So if you look in the bottom left-hand section, we can see that we have home care. So if I press on that, what that will now do is show all of my devices. I'll scroll through until we find our stick vacuum. You can now see on screen that straight away it's telling me that my clean station dust bag is in good condition, and when it's full, it will tell me that as well. We then have our smart care guide. When we click on that, it will talk you through making sure that the vacuum is plugged in. Then when I click Start Now, you will see that the vacuum on the all-in-one station will now start to run that diagnosis. On the screen, as we said, it talks you through the percentage of how much that's checked, and it's checking all those individual parts within that vacuum cleaner. So now it's finished. As you can see on screen, the diagnostic result is good, but it also breaks it down again for our main parts and our brushes. So our brush and pipe status is also good, our motor, filter and dustbin status is also good, and our brush is showing that the internal debris are good as well. So nice and simple, nice and easy way to take care of your vacuum cleaner. Now lastly, let's look at number 3, which is our all-in-one clean station. With air pulse technology, it effectively empties the dustbin and the spinning cyclone removes 99% of hair. With our spin edge technology, it will trap 99.999% of dust, and it will also shut the cover when it's finished emptying it. So let's have a look at what that looks like as well. So with this one, when I place it back on, it can be default to empty it every single time I place it back on the station. Now a customer can use to turn that on or turn that off. So we've turned it off for now, so if I want to empty it manually, I just press the start and stop button on the front. So that's now going to start emptying the bin. So as you can see, we have our filtration system which is pumping out. We have our spinning filter which is going to get rid of that 99% hair and that 99.999% of that fine dust. Also, every single time it empties, it will run that maintenance check that we just run on the SmartThings app. So every single time that you empty your vacuum, it is going to check that everything is running smoothly. Now when I take it off of the all-in-one clean station, we can now see that the dustbin has now closed and I can carry on vacuuming without having to do it manually. Also, we can obviously charge the vacuum when it is sitting on top of our all-in-one clean station. So a quick refresh on those big 3 messages. Number 1 is our most powerful cleaning performance with up to 280 watts of suction. We have our AI cleaning with our AI brush and our smart Wi-Fi, and we now have our enhanced all-in-one clean station.